To enable or disable voice typing in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on additional settings. After that we'll be able to find languages and input, and then we can manage keyboards. Click on the Gboard on the top and then move down until we find the voice typing. After that you can activate it right here. You can also enable faster voice typing, and this will download the dictation on your device. So this requires a download, and then you'll be able to use faster voice typing even offline. Now to actually use it, let's open our keyboard, and then you can see this microphone on the top right corner of the keyboard window. If you click on it, you'll be able to start speaking, and then depending on the language input, because I have Polish input currently, let's change it back to English. If we try to speak right now, it should translate all of the things that I'm saying into actual words. As you can see, it works fine. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.